I'm recording this section so that maybe when I can also post it on the group for other people to look at it. So we will start. First of all, when I started on Telegram, I asked a question: What do you think would be the reason why you want to edit an already existing article? I think Anna or somebody or Gbemishola answered me to improve the article. So that is actually the idea because writing an article is not doesn't mean that you will be the one to start the article and finish the article. And also because of we are in a time functional world, so many things happens that needs updates. So you could find out that some articles needs to be updated. Maybe the informations there are obsolete or they've actually passed. So, okay, maybe something like sports. Maybe the let's say the current World Cup winner. Someone might pick interest to add the current World Cup winner on an existing article that is already on Wikipedia. So these are some reasons that you would want to edit an already made article, an already existing article. One, to improve the article. Two, to update the information. And these things can come in so many aspects. So you can improve an article through updating the informations on the article. Three, you can also want to update an article by maybe um, giving the article some citation. Maybe the person that wrote it before didn't cite some things where you can pick it up and cite the article well. You can also want to add pictures on the article so that it will be related when someone is reading it. The person can be able to, okay, visualize what he or she is reading. Maybe you are talking about, let's say, answers movements. So you can upload some answers pictures on the article so that when someone is reading it, the person can be able to see what happened those days. Also, you can improve article by maybe you saw some grammatical error on the article. You can edit it and structure the sentences well. So these are the reasons that would make you to edit an article on Wikipedia. So I think for starting, let's let's look at this article. Um, okay, let me first share my screen. Let me share my screen. Um, okay, I don't know if you can see my screen now. Can everyone see my screen? Can you see my screen? Okay. Okay, let me mute my video so that to go well. So if you can see my screen now, I think that would be nice. But if you can't see it, you can let me know so that I know where the problem is coming from. Okay, so we have on the screen, this is an already written article on the topic is Abuja National Mosque. Can everybody see it? Okay. So this is an already written article. You can see it has been written before. It has been written before. So, but this article somehow might not be complete, or there are some informations that are missing on this article. So you might want to edit this article to add some things on it. But this person actually did a great job. The person actually at least took some pictures, and I can see some references and so many things. He did a great job. So one first thing first, for you to start editing an article, first thing first, you should you should edit articles you know things about. You know stuffs about the article. You are interested in the article. You don't just pick any article and you want to edit. No, make sure you are conversant with the article. You know what the article is talking about, or maybe that is the article is your uh, area of concentration, maybe in your school or anything. But make sure you have an idea of the article you want to edit. This will make you be more factual, and also make you know what you are doing on the article. Uh, you wouldn't want to give people false information. Also, if you don't know anything about the article, that now makes you to do a lot of research about the article. Even though you know anything about the article, you still need to do research. But when you don't know anything about the article, you have to like double your research for you to be conversant about the article. So for teaching purposes and for training purposes, I might not put the real information on this, but it will be something related on Abuja National Mosque. But I wouldn't want to save it, or even though I save it, I will also wipe it out or delete it. But this is for this training section purposes. So first thing first, I told you you must be conversant with the article you want to edit. Second thing, you must do some background research, whether in the library, whether online, or you can get information about a major topic. So for this aspect, we'll be getting our information online. But if you still have a library beside you or closer, or you work in a library, perfect. Remember, these places you are making research, those are the places that will make up your citation and your references, because that is the focal point. That is the basic thing you need to do for your article to be accepted. You must cite wherever you get your information from. So like this Abuja National Mosque, let me search on Google. Do we have any questions so far? Any questions so far? Is there any question so far before we go on? Anna, do you have any question? Okay. What of Olamide? Has she gone now? Okay, Olamide is no longer here. Okay, so but let's continue. So let's look up Abuja National Mosque. Let's look up Abuja National Mosque. Okay, the first one is on Wikipedia. We wouldn't want to take anything there. Let's go down. Okay, let's see this Travertino. Let's see what they are saying about Abuja Mosque. So I'm trying to get if there is any updated information on Abuja Mosque. These people didn't write much. Okay, let's see. In 1981, a group of prominent local Muslims decided to request the construction of mosque. And okay, so for this training, we can just the construction was entrusted to the okay. We can just pick this information. We can just take this little uh, piece of information here. The construction work was entrusted to the AIM Consultant Limited and ended in 1984. So let's pick up this work, this little information we got here. So can someone reconstruct this sentence for me? Because you are not expected to just copy and paste. You are not expected to copy and dump. So you have to, if it's a large article or you got your information, you try to redefine it and make it more uh, readable and more neutral if they are biased or something. So you make it more neutral and well structured. You don't copy and dump on your on Wikipedia. No, so you try and reconstruct your sentences. If they are biased in their sentence in their articles, you try to make it or make it look neutral when anybody is reading it on Wikipedia. So I don't know if anybody can help me reconstruct this sentence. If you can you see my screen, or is it okay? Yeah, let me paste it on Word so that I can. Okay, can you see it now? So can someone help us reconstruct this sentence? Okay, you can paste it on the if you have your reconstructed sentence, you paste it on on the comment section so that everybody will see it. Yeah. Okay, wait, let me put it up again. Has anyone put type on the comment section? Oh, let me check where it is. You can see charts. Can you see charts? If you can see charts, yeah, okay, okay, you are using a phone. Yeah, press on the three dots. Yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. So okay, I have what uh, we have what Bemishola did. Let's see. I can't see the whole of of your codes, Bemi. No, finish it now. Make it look like a sentence. I need a reconstructed sentence. Okay, shall you send something? The the Abuja National Mosque was reconstructed in 19 by okay. We can manage this, we can use this. Okay, so let's go back to before we go back, let's first of all get our link where we got this thing from. So this is the link get where we got the information from. So okay, construction was awarded the project of building the mosque and they completed the project in it. Okay, this also looks like nice by Anna. Okay, let's use Anna's reconstructed sentence. So now we've gotten something on Abuja National Mosque. So let's say we want to add it on this article. We go to edit. Remember, I told if you read up what we did or what I said on Telegram, I told you guys we have two types of edits of editing a Wikipedia article. We have the edits, then we have the edit source. The edit will take you to the visual edit of Wikipedia article, while the edit source will take you to the other part of editing, which has to do with code, Wikipedia code. So, but for now, we use the visual edit. So it's loading up the edit section. So I'm waiting for it to for the edit section to come out so that I can be able to type. Also, network can also be the reason for the slow loading, and also this page has pictures on it. So okay, now it has loaded the editing section. So now we can choose to that information. Where do we think it will fit in? We have so many heading here. That information, I think it will fit in on that on this upper part. That this thing that looks like introduction. I think it will fit in there, so we can make it on another paragraph. Aim, aims construction. Huh? Location and layout building the most and the completed them. Do you think so? Location and layout. No, I don't think so. Amy? Okay, yeah, that's where we are putting it. So you can see our new research information on Abuja National Mosque, the highlighted one. So now I don't know whether Ames Construction Limited has any. I don't think they have any page on Wikipedia. Let me see if they have. I don't think they have. They don't have any page. So we can just say external. Hmm? We still don't have their this thing, their websites. I would have added their websites. But if someone can research that website and paste it on the this thing, it will to be great so that I can add it there. So now we've added our little bit of information. So let's cite where we got this thing from. I think so. For you to add a citation, remember every citation you added will come down to reference. Will come down to the references. So let's add our citation. Um, Sorry. Oh, I clicked the wrong. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So if you can see me, this is where I clicked the site. If you can see that button, site. If you click on sites, it will take you to this. So we have the automatic, we have the manual, we have the reuse. So the automatic will generate everything about that the place you got your information automatically. The manual, you will use your hand and input. Maybe you manual always had to do with books. So if you got your information from a book, you can be able to input whatever whatever thing you can see it. If books, website, news, journal, wherever you got your information from, and you want to impute it manually, you can use this option. Then reuse has to do with already made already written citations on this article. You can see them here lined up. So if you want to reuse the citation, maybe you got your information there also, you can click on reuse and reuse the citation. But our own, I don't think is here. No, it is not here. Okay, it's here, it's here, it's here. I've seen Travatino. That's it. Okay, but for the sake of this, let's just continue with our automatic and see what it will generate. So we have the where we got the information from, the URL, the link, you can call it that. So we go back to automatic and paste it there and click on generate. It will generate the reference. So you see, it has generated the reference and retrieved everything that has to do with that website. So you click on insert, and that is it. You can see our reference is 4 now. If you go down, you will see number 4. That reference should be, that reference is number 4, right? If we go down, I will just for the guys. Okay, we've not saved this. Abi? Yeah, we've not published. Let's publish and see whether it will correspond. So this is how to write, how to include your reference on your, if you are editing an article. Remember, this is very important. Citation is very important. So let's click on publish. Click on publish. We write a little bit added citation and the paragraph and the paragraph. So this is a minor edit. What is so we can you can just click on this say minor edit and publish. Remember, if you click on publish, your work will be published. So now this work has been published. It's like someone is asking to come. So as you can see, the reference is 4. Let's click everything. Okay, so if you can see it, that number 4 has changed to that Gravitino. Did you see it? Is everyone seeing it? So we have succeeded in adding a little bit of information on this article. We have improved this article to some an extent. Also, you are expected when you are either writing a new article of your own or any, you are expected to link some words to the internal articles on Wikipedia or on Wikipedia already. So we might let's see. let's check of a word or a place that we think is existing already on Wikipedia and find if we can link it. Okay, they've already linked this AIM consultants to their websites. So let's which other word here do you think is existing on Wikipedia that we can link? Mm, okay, let's just say prayer. Let's just say prayers and see because I've not seen any other brand instruction. So for the purpose of this lesson, I just want to show us how to link internal Wikipedia article to what you are doing. So we go back to edit. Maybe let's say we want to link prayers. We go to this tab so we can see what prayer means and we can just click on it. So it has been linked to a Wikipedia article. So if you click on it, you can see it's highlighted now. So it means that it's having a link inside Wikipedia. But like this one, unlike this one, you can see the arrow, which means that the link is not on Wikipedia, it's outside Wikipedia. That is why you are seeing that this arrow sign. It means that it will take you outside Wikipedia. So that is how to add links. It makes your article looks more matured. If someone is reading it, to know that at least you know what you are doing. You are able to you want to be able to see more to get more information about what you are writing. So it makes your article more sophisticated. So any questions so far? Okay, go on. Okay, the internal linking is on this one. Just like okay, if we want to like link this open, you click on this one that looks like chain. Yeah, if you click on it, it will generate if there is any uh, thing that has been written on that word, it will generate it. So you can see so many options. You can see so many options there. You can see so many options of open because we want to link on open. So anyone, but if that if what you want to link is not on Wikipedia and you have the website or the link anywhere, you can go with this external link. If you copy and paste the link on that box, it will not take you, it will not show this, it will not get you to this sign. I don't know if we should try it. Let's try it so that you see what I'm talking about. Let's still use this. Let's use this. So you can click on this and say down. So you can see that open now. You can see the sign is having. I don't know if you can see it. Or should I increase my screen? Okay. So that shows you that it is outside. So this is basically how you edit edit and improve your Wikipedia article. Is there any other thing you guys are finding difficult to do? For now, I don't want to go to info box for now. Is there any other thing on editing that you want to get clearer enough about? Do you have anything that is confusing you on how to do? Another thing is that, okay, if you are writing an article, and maybe you don't know how that how the article you want to write, you don't know how the format will look like, you are confused, you don't know whether to start or maybe on the gallery or location or layout, or so the best way to do it is look up for a similar article that has been accepted, that is already on Wikipedia, like something like if I want to write something maybe on let's say an artist, an artist, or a well-known what way I can search. Okay, let's say maybe we want to write something on yeah, Burna Boy, or is Davido even on Wikipedia? Okay. Okay, let's say we want to write something on an artist, but the artist is not Davido. But you know that Davido's article will be is well written on. So you know he's a high profile artist, so his article will be well written on. So you will just go look at Davido's article, how it's been arranged, you look at it and follow it exactly the way it is being arranged. You can see they started with his introduction, year of birth, the place is been he has been the record. You can go on with that. Then the next one is early life. The next one is career. The next one is okay. This one is his musical. I think albums and all those things. So you can go on like this and endorsements, personal life. You can go on like this and arrange yours just like exactly as the already written article is, so that so that you will not be confused. But if you know what you are doing, or you know the arrangement you have in your head, you can still go on with that. But the best way to take out that from stressing you is to look up to a similar article that has been written, even though if it's on maybe politics or anything, there is nothing that hasn't been written before you want to write, but you don't know how to arrange it. So you can just look it up, uh, how a similar article is being written, and you follow the procedure like that and write your own perfect shape. So any other question? We have, yeah. Mhm. Okay. E- Yeah, actually, it's not the context of what we are doing today, and that is why I don't also want to click on to talk anything on this if info boss side. But I don't know if you guys still want us to do it today. We can also do it and get over with it if we are clear on how to do all these ones. So are we clear on how to do? Okay, we are already out of time. 2:30. Are we clear on how to edit normally on a Wikipedia article? If we are clear, okay. So let yeah, go on. Okay, from a book. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So let's say we want to our references is from the book. If our reference is from the book, let's see how it is. So let's say manual. manual, then book. I hope you saw how I got to this place. It will bring me this box. Yeah. So it will bring me to this box. So this is a template of how you will. So the name of the author of the book, let's say DK first and choose. Let's say the title of the book is Abuja Abuja Dynasty. The publishers of the book, let's say Macmillan, they are still publishing books, Abi. Then let's say the year of publication, let's say 2018. And you know every book has a ISBN registration. So you copy out the ISBN registration, let's say 02 dash 245 24378. So this is the location of the book of the publication, Nigeria. So the page where you got this information from, what page of that book is it? So you can say page, yeah, the number now, the number of the page. You can say page 10. If there is any other information, you can click here. But I think this is a whole lot of information. So you click on insert. You can see it has inserted my reference here. That number 5. If you can look at it, you see it. So if we also go to the references, you will see that name of the book. Let's publish. Remember, I will still delete some of these things. Why that ISBN is wrong is because of it doesn't exist. Do you understand? That's why it's showing red. Okay, but let me not just publish this. So, but for the sake of this, we already seen how we can uh put in if we get any information from a book, we've seen how to also tag it along on our citation. That's how it works. You can get information from anywhere, but make sure is the place you are getting the information is a well known places that are factual. They write things that are factual. Their publications are not biased and all those things. So you can't just get information from a magazine and you are trying to impose it on people. You know, magazines can be funny sometimes. They can write to suit the person that paid for the article. So sometimes some magazines don't. You are not advised to cite from a magazine. So any other questions? Yeah. Okay. Major edits. You can say major edits like if you are writing a whole lot of so maybe a subtopic. Let's say we are the one that wrote this location and layout. Do you understand? We can say we did a major edit here because we wrote a, a row full of a subtopic on this article. So it's a major edit. If you put up an info box here, if you put up an info box here, it's also a major edit. But a minor edit, maybe minor edit, you corrected a sentence, that is minor, or maybe you corrected punctuation or something like that. That is minor edit. It's not that tangible, so it's minor. But bigger edits, major edits, you can. These are the major edits. Maybe when you added a picture, when you write a whole full paragraph, when you put up an info box, is a major edit. Okay. I don't know. So we can we rush up on adding info box? We can rush it up, and though we will still repeat it on next our next, because that should be our next topic. Okay, so but before we go there, I want to encourage everybody to start editing, because also this our training has a competition part of it. So that is why I ask you guys to register on the dashboard. So if there is any article you are editing or you are writing new, you can send me the link to that article or the name of the article, so that I can add it on the dashboard and see what you are doing and see the kind of edits you are doing. So the best um, uh, the best person the best person that do a lot more of edits and writes a new article has a lot of prize to win. We have gift cards, we have t-shirts to give out. So if you, I want to encourage everybody to start. Look at, I will send you guys links for where you can see articles that needs improvements. There are so many articles on Wikipedia that needs improvements. Let me see if I have. There should be a link. There should be a link there. Okay, I will get the link. I'll get the link later and paste it on Telegram so that everyone can see. You can from there and choose article that you want to improve. There are so many lists of them that you can choose from. We have so many articles that needs improvements, so you can choose there and improve them, and also send me the links of the article you are working on. So this is what our dashboard looks like. uh, Where's that dashboard? I think I have it. Okay, so this is what our dashboard looks like. I don't know. Only Bookie has sent me what she's working on. She's working on 6 articles now. So only Book has sent me what she's working on. So I encourage other people to send me what they are working on. This is what our dashboard is looking like now. So okay, so touch on let's touch on infographics and picture. I think someone asked something about adding pictures, right? Okay, so let's just do. Let me remove this. So for this now, this is called an infographics, an info box. This green area, an info box. It shows kind of a pictorial information about what you are talking about. You can see the picture of the Abuja Mosque. You can see the religion. You can see location, all types of things there. So for you to do something like that, if you want to do something like that, let's say you go to insert, you go to insert, and you go to first of all First of all, if you have any image you want to use for your info box, you first of all add it on Wiki Commons. There is an aspect of Wikipedia called Wiki Commons. Let me show you what Wiki Commons looks like. This is the place that houses, this is the Wikipedia project that houses media, video clips, pictures, sounds, this is the project of Wikipedia that Wikimedia that houses those kind of things. So this is how Wikicommons looks like. So for you to have a picture on Wikipedia, the picture must have been hosted on Wikicommons. So from there, you can get what you want to use for your info box. So let's go direct. This is how it is. Wikicommons, that's the name of the project. Just like we have Wikidata, we have Wikipedia, we have also Wikicommons. So also you can do you can improve a picture, you can improve anything just like you are doing on Wikipedia or Wikicommons. So you go to upload to take us to where we can upload a picture. Uh, don't know, maybe the network is slow, but it should take us on where we will upload a picture. We are having a slow network. Uh, okay, it's loading. Okay. So we are trying to go to the upload wizard. You guys should exercise a little patience. I think my internet is here. And because this part of Wikipedia has to do with media, so the database is somehow heavy. So yeah, that this is how it looks like. So if you want to upload an image, first of all, make sure that the image you are uploading is either yours, you took the picture by yourself, or you have where you get it from, and you have a reference of where you get it from. Remember, everything on Wikimedia has to do with referencing and citation. You must have where you got that thing from. If it's not yours, then you must have where you get it from. So now you can click on select media file. It will take you to where you saved it on your maybe on your system, or if you are using your phone, maybe on your phone. Let me see any image here. Um, let me see an image. Okay, let's don't know if I have this flyer. Okay, let's use this our I want to okay, let's use this our flyer, this WikiActivate flyer. So I click on it and it starts uploading. Also, you can add more than one picture. You see, add more files. You can add more than one picture. You can also add more image from Flickr. Flickr is a website that houses pictures of so many things. So you can add from that place. So when it's done uploading, you click on continue. All uploads were successful, so you click on continue. So here it will ask you, this is the place it will ask you release rights, whether this picture is yours or you get it from somewhere. So is this file is my own. This file is not my own. So because of this file is my own, I was the one that created it. I click on I click on that box. So if you want to, this is where you sign the license. If you want to change your name, you can change it. But I want to still use my username, Triple Dyke. So the copyright holder, blah 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 blah. So this is where you are signing. This is where you are signing off your copyright. So you can't. immediately you click on this, it means that anybody can use this picture and you can't be able to sue the person. So I click on next. So here I can image title wiki activate flyer or banner. So here caption. So the caption is in English. I say wiki activate. So you can say wiki activate. That's the caption. Description. Uh, a banner. A banner on events details. So this is his. Sorry, let me accept that person. So we go back a banner on event details. Then we go to dates work was created. So the date you took this picture, let's say we are in April. I did this work in March. Let's say March. So we can say this is the date category 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 events. Let's say mention events Wikipedia. Let's say Wikipedia. So this categories is maybe something relating to the pictures, the category where the picture is aligned to. So these are the particular. So you can also go more location, other information, blah blah blah. So when you are done with this, you click on publish files. So it's submitting and publishing your. So you can you can also do some things on this, add items for trade in this file. So if you have any item or trade in this file, like we can say Wikidata, because we talked about something on Wikidata. So you can do that and publish data for all files. So now you have published this picture. You have published this picture. So now the important thing why we went through all this process is to get this link. These links you are seeing here. The first link is to use the file in a wiki. So in any wiki project, if you are doing such like Wikidata, Wikipedia, if you want to use this file, this link, that is the link you can use for this file if you want to use it anywhere in Wikimedia projects. But if you want to use this file outside any Wikimedia project, you use this down, the second one. So, but now, because of we are writing a Wikipedia article, we want to use it inside a wiki project. So we copy this, we click on copy and copy this first link. So we've copied it and we'll make use of it later. Let me paste it so that I can use it. So we can make use of it later. So let's go back to that's our Abuja. Um, let's go back to this our Abuja article. So now we want to add that picture there. No. Maybe you want to add picture in. Like there are so many ways you can use a picture. You can see this person is using it as a gallery. Also, you can use picture in something like an info box. So let's say we want to use it in an info box. We click on this, right? Click on templates. Let me close it back so that you see. Insert templates. Let's you can type info box, something should come out on it. It should have something coming out on it. Okay. So we have info box. So we can choose kind of info box we want to. We have info box of a person. We have info box of station display and info box for a rail. We have info box for road, info box for free, info box for an organization, info box for settlement. So which one should we use though? Which info box should we use for this? Who asked that question? So can anybody suggest info box we can use here? We can use a settlement for a picture of a mosque. Do we have any other suggestion? Do we have any other suggestion? Any other suggestion? So oh, where are we working on? Okay, so let's use settlement. Let's use settlement for example. Info box for settlement. Oh, okay. So this is the information you can put up on it. Common name. Let's say Abuja Mosque. Official name. I don't even know the name of that mosque. But let's say, what can we give? Okay, let's say National Mosque. So you can add other information, native name, other names. There are so many informations you can add. Image size, image alternate caption, flag. Can we use a flag, Nigeria flag? This flag image. Uh, okay, we can just, I don't know, I have not actually used this option before. So I don't actually know how. Sorry, templates. Oh, I don't know why I clicked on that close box and everything got closed. Okay, let's use um Abuja Mosque. Abuja Mosque. Then official name. Let's say National Mosque. You can add other things on it. You can add any other information on it. You can add every other information on it. Nickname, motto. What is Nigerian motto self? Unity and wait, peace and unity. So kind of. So when you are done with the information you want to add on that, you can click on insert. Okay, we've not actually inserted the picture. Where do I see that more? No, 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 no. There is a place. Let's say image. Use of I'm not seeing. I'm not seeing where I can add image here. I should be a place. Image size, image of skyline, no. Flag image. Use for a flag. Mm. Map image. Map of a region. Oh, this is not it. Okay, let's say we want to use this image, map image, but this is more clearer if we are using info box for person. Where is that our link? So we can use this. Okay, let's see if we should get it. So as you can see, our image is up. This is that image we uploaded, and this is some informations we added on the info box. So this is how we can make your own info box, but with more polishing and everything. I think we didn't choose the right info box for this. That's why maybe it's not looking like this. But this is how you can make an info box of any type. You could see info box of person, info box of fanatics, info box of settlement. So those are the different kinds of info box you can make also. Then if you want this image to come out as this kind of images, this kind of images, you go to insert, image and media. And because of I already have some images on my wiki commons, so this is everything on that my wiki commons, all the images I have uploaded there. So this is the most recent I have used. I can click on it and use this image. I can caption the image wiki activate and copy this thing also for alternative text is used for people that are impaired, maybe people that cannot see, so that when they use their devices, they can be able to read what the email is saying. So it's advisable to always add your alternative text there. So I can choose insert. Oh, this one came out at the side. So I can choose and put it somewhere here. I can drag and put it somewhere there, and it will appear. Something like this will appear. Um, okay. Okay, let me add another image. Okay, they use the gallery format for those for those pictures you are seeing there, they use a gallery template, which which is not what I use, but let me use what they used before. WikiActivate. So I can apply, and you can see our own here. Let me remove this. So you can see our own here, though. Yeah, you can see our own here. This one is not actually the right one. I didn't use the gallery templates. So this is how you can make use of pictures on your article. Any question? Any question? Yeah, yeah, exactly. So though we will still retouch this on our next class, which is maybe next Saturday or so. I'll communicate with you people. So, but for now, everybody, at least we have seen how we can make credible edits. So everybody should start editing. I will send link of pages that where you can get articles that need edits. So you can start making edits. Don't be scared. If you have any question, you can ask me and I will answer you. So, but for this section, thank you everybody for making it. Um, it's such a great idea to have you guys on board. Though some people are not here again, but I thank you all. In the absence of any other question, we'll end this here for today and continue next week. I think next week we will do something also on Wikidata. We will do something also on Wikidata. I will call in someone that will take us on Wikidata so that we'll have broad ideas on it. Thank you, everybody. Saliu, yeah, thank you for being here for this long. Anna, you are welcome. Bemishola, thank you. Okay, see you guys next week. Have a wonderful Easter break. Yeah, bye.